Ciao baby, Tanya here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss an upload. Yeah, by the way. So, what this try on haul is gonna be about? Da-da-da-da-da! I'm gonna actually try on different dresses from a new H&M collection. How do you like this first one? Isn't it cute, I guess? By the way, make sure to check out my Instagram, Tatiana to see even more pictures, more outfit ideas. For some reason, I associate the first dress and this one with tennis, but I do imagine they wouldn't be that comfortable playing tennis because these dresses are really tight and they aren't extremely long, but I don't know. What do you think? And I'll be showing you the price tags for every single dress or any other item that I'm gonna try on in this haul. So if you want to check out these items on the H&M website, just pause the video and you will see the number of the article and you can get this dress for you. By the way, I really like this dress. It looks very cute and very stylish, but it was slightly transparent and it looks sort of like a big sweater. That is why I didn't get it, but it's very beautiful. What do you think? I feel like brands started getting sizing a little bit weird. I usually wear an XS or an S, and sometimes they fit a little bit like, I don't know, there is something off. This dress is very cute, but there is an issue with it. I'm wearing an XS, you see it fits perfectly. And I think that an S would be too loose on my waistline, but this one looks slightly too tight and you can see around the buttons it kind of opens, so this is a weird thing. And another thing about this dress, I noticed that there are a lot of brands who recreated a similar one. And look at this dress, it's gorgeous, very comfy, very stretchy. Unfortunately, at the store they didn't have an XS size, and as you see, it's a little bit too loose on my waistline and especially on top. But it's an extremely comfortable dress, and I really suggest you to get it because it's very comfy, even though it looks quite tight. By the way, H&M offers also loungewear, and here I decided to try on these shirts. This fit was extremely comfortable. I really liked it actually. The shirts are super comfy, super stretchy, and the material is also very smooth. And I think they look very nice with this white top. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And my next pick was this little red dress. What do you think about it? The next dress that I really wanted to try is this simple black dress that's actually very similar to the previous red dress. The only difference is it has some glitter on it and the writing is a little bit different, but the idea of the dress is pretty much the same. My next pick was this little mesh dress. I'm pretty sure it was inspired by the 90s. It looks pretty cute, but I'm not totally in love with it. How do you feel about this dress? When I saw this dress, I just knew I needed to try it on. And for some reason, I got Scooby-Doo vibes. How do you like it? Here I decided to create an outfit by adding this black pink crop top with this faux leather skirt. How do you like it? It looks pretty cool, right? I decided to keep the top, but this time I decided to try on a pair of jeans. I tried these boyfriend jeans and I don't really like low-rise jeans honestly, but this pair kind of looks cool, I think. What do you say? This look is pretty much similar as the previous one, different top and different jeans. Which one do you prefer, this one or the previous one? Honestly, I don't really know how I feel about this dress because it's pretty elegant and sophisticated, but at the same time, it lacks something. I think it lacks personality. It's just too simple. Have no idea what they try to do here. It's my size, but it looks so big, so it's a nene. It just lacks a lot of things here. Same deal here. Really love the color though. Thank you for sticking till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upload. If you'd like to see more of my content or you're just willing to say hi to me, feel free to reach out. I'll drop links as usually in the description box below. See you, bye!